Now, let's review combining like terms. Like terms must have the same variable and the same power on the letters. Combining like terms while adding or subtracting the coefficients, number in front of the variable. Let's do this. So you have this expression. I would like for you guys to combine like terms. Which ones could be combined? And what? 3x and 5, they can go together.
3x and 7.
Is this a plus 7? What does this sign, or who does this sign belong to? 7x or 5? 7. So this is 3x minus 7x. Okay? Because this minus is in front of 7. So that's minus 7x. All right? So if I want to do this, I would do 3x minus 7x. That is negative 4x plus, what's 5 plus 9?
14.
Plus 14. 14 is positive or negative? So that's plus 14. All right?
I think they're sending somebody.
Thank you. So did you get this, guys? Look here. Look, we can, I'm going to do it on the board, and we can look on the slide and see it. So we're going to combine 3x minus 7x. That's negative 4x. These are like terms. Also, we can combine 5 and 9. They are 14. Since 14 is positive, that's plus 14. Now, do this. 3 minus 6y minus 7, negative 9y. Jose, yes, just let me take the attendance first. Thank you. Is Jose here? It's not. Is Davo here? It's not. Paul, Savannah. Christina. Here. All right. What was your answer? Show it to me. Good job. Right. Pay attention. You have negative 6y. You have negative 6y minus 9y. How much is that? What's negative 6 minus 9?
15.
Oh.
All of them are zombies, right? Where's yours, Gustavo? Where's yours?
Oh.
Ah.
No, I can't. You are. I know.
Where are you now? From the advisory?
Yeah, I don't.
That's not
Worry about that.
That's not what? Negative what? Yeah,
Never.
it's plus negative. Plus negative 6. Right? Guys, don't we deal with minus just like plus negative? It's working. See? She got scared. I know. Now, it's working now. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened. It's working.
So did we
Guys, I have to see how many witnesses.
It always worked like we were in here. I don't know what she's talking about. It was fine.
And are you the one that came down and said?
I think she wanted to get rid of me for a little bit.
Yeah.
Guys, come on. Nobody on my side? Thank you. All right. So you have negative 6y minus. See, guys, if you're confused, change. Didn't I say change minus into plus negative? You can do that. Plus negative, plus negative, plus negative. So what I'm doing, guys, negative 6 plus negative 9. You can do this if you feel more comfortable with. Every time when you have minus, change it into plus negative. Not change it into plus. No, plus negative. Okay? Now, that's negative 13y. So that negative 13 took care of this part, this term, and this term. Now you have 3 plus negative 7. You have more negative or more positive? 3 plus negative 7. More, you have one, how many more? How many more negative?
Oh, 4.
4 negative. So do I do minus 4 or plus 4? If it's more negative, I can do plus negative 4. Doesn't matter.
Wait, is that
This is the answer, yeah.
It's supposed to be 15-1. Maybe 15-1.
Yeah.
You got 30.
Oh, what did I get? 15. All right. Negative 15.
Wait, does it matter in the order?
No, no, but this should be negative and the other one should be negative. Both of them have to be negative. All right. So this is how do we simplify and solve equations with multiple steps? First, we use the distributive property. Second, we combine like terms. Third, we solve by using the inverse. Now, would you like me to do this or do you want to try it first? Would you like to try it? Now, do you see these steps? That's what you need to do. Use distributive property. So you multiply the outside with every term inside. Do combining like terms, okay? Then use inverse. Write this down and try it. Okay. Write it down. This one is not part of the distributive property. Write it down. 3x. This one is not distributed. Plus 2 times 2x squared, 4x, plus 2 times negative 1. It is negative 2 or this. What's 2 or what's 2? Why do you have negative 2? You just have to you don't have to. This is not negative, this is positive. So minus 2. Now, equals. Now what? I use like terms, can you combine them? The x and so x. We have the same variable. And we have the same power. That's x to the first power, x to the minus power. All right. Now you need to solve. Use two-step. How to solve two-step equations? Convert the variable and work on the number beside it, on the same side of the equal sign. Get rid of that number first, then get rid of the attached number. All right. Look up here, please. Savannah, Amanda, come on. Now, I'm going to use distributive property. I'm going to follow these steps. So, I'm going to do this. Is 3x part of the distributive property? No, just the number in front of the parentheses. So 3x, I'm going to bring it down. Plus, what's 2 times 2x? 4x. What's my middle operation? What's 2 times 1? Equals 33. I just did the distributive property so far, right? Now what do? Combine like terms. Which ones are like terms?
Yeah.
This is x to the first power to the first power, so they have the same variable raised to the same power. They are like terms. What's 3x plus 4x? 7x minus 2 equals. Now, can we solve two-step equations just like what we learned yesterday? We just cover the variable. What do we do first? It's minus 2, so we add 2 to both sides. Those cancel out. So I have 7x equals 35. Now what do I do? Divide by. So x is how much? How many of you get 5? Wow, good job. All right. That was hard. All right. Do this now. Let's see how many more. Gonna do that. So you have 3. Remember, 3 things: distributive, combining like terms, and inverse. This one. Is this you? It's not me, right? Don't waste my marker, okay? No. The same mouth, the same eyes. Oh my gosh, you're an artist. I love it. Don't do this again, okay?
On top.
Good.
Good job. Did you get the same answer you got? Yep. Good job. That's 7. X. It's not 1. Job. Job. Yes. Okay, write it down. I'll show you.
I think.
What is your, I don't know how to do it.
It's still 6.
Is it? So this is like, I don't know. Okay, so 3x squared. What's the operation? So this is 3x plus, now this is 3x, this is 4x, how much? This belongs to this, right? Okay, how many of you get the answer 2? Good job, excellent. Let's see. So I'm going to do this for the property. So I'm going to multiply this. Did you fix it? 3x minus 6. Bring down the rest. Okay. Now, I know 3x and 4x are like terms. They have the same variable raised to the first power. But that's the confusion when some students think that's 3x minus 4x. Is this right? The sign is this. In the front of the number or the term, this is the sign. That minus belongs to 6. Okay? So if I do 3x plus 4x, guys, 7x. What do I have left? Minus 6 is 8. How do I solve the equation? I cover the variable with its coefficient. Get rid of this minus 6. You add 6 to both sides. Let's cancel out. 7x equals 14. And I divide by 7. So x is 2. Alright, Donovan, did you get 2 for that?
I did
Donovan?
I did it easier way.
You did it in an easier way?
Yeah.
How did you do it?
I did it in my head. Easy way, just go in your head.
Now, this one is hard. This one is a challenge. Come on, let's see how you do it. This one is a challenge. It's a long equation. Savannah, are you working, honey? Are you working? Do you have a pencil? Have you been done? Now, remember, you start with distributive property, then combining like terms, then use the inverse operations. Okay, I'm gonna write this for you to remember. First, distributive. Second, combine. And 3, inverse. Be careful when you do the sign. No, she's not here today. I don't know why they confront them every day. Like, what do they do?
Later, steps.
Okay. I don't know, because she's fine with my class. She told me something. I don't know.
Off in the first period.
Yeah. Well, just finish it for now. I'm gonna correct. I'm not gonna correct. Then I'm gonna do it on the board and just follow up with me. See if you have a mistake. All right, guys. How much more time do you need? 2 years. Let's see who's gonna get. See, I promise. If you get this question right, I'm giving you 2 points on your in power school. You can add it. But I didn't add them yet.
Is that right?
I don't know. Just keep your answers. Keep it. Jermaine was Jermaine, and who else? And Markwell, and who else was the third person? Andre?
I had it.
Why did it was me? Oh, and Cole, yes, Cole. Alright. Now keep your answer. Don't erase it, okay? Because I want to be sure you did it right. Don't erase it. You need more time?
Yeah.
I lost track of my. I got 1.5.
Pay attention. Alright, did you give up?
No, I'm working on it.
It is?
Did what? I don't remember.
That's right.
But it's not right. Don't erase. Don't erase.
I think it's
I'll show you your
1.5.
mistake.
We'll see.
Negative 4,
Hey.
negative 3 is what?
Back. Back. You're right, you get a Pepsi.
Okay. You got 3, he got -3, you got 3. Let's see.
It's negative
See, yesterday, my daughter showed me a joke. Listen up. So, she showed me a face. My daughter, she showed me a joke. Just like now, like I'm seeing here 3, -3, -3, then I see like 77 somewhere. So, my daughter was showing me a joke yesterday, so it was about a girl looking like this. Because she was asking her friend, she was hearing a conversation between 2 people, just put the test. One of them said, I got 71, and the other one said, I got 71.5, and her answer was South Africa. So just like, pay attention, come on guys. Look how I do. And this is very important. When you, -3 and 3, that's good. It's not South Africa, right? Look up here. So I'm going to do the distributive property, but pay attention to the sign. What do you have in front of 4? Do you have +4 or -4? That means this 4 is positive or negative. That means that's 4 because I can write it plus -4.
Miss Ron,
I can write it like this.
how old is your daughter?
My daughter is a senior.
She's a senior?
Yeah, she's a senior. I have an older son, he's 21. Okay, now, look up here. So I'm gonna multiply this -4 times every term inside the parentheses and get rid of these parentheses first. But -4y minus 5, is this part of the distribution or it's outside? It's outside, so I'm gonna bring it down. -4y minus 5 plus, what's -4 times -2? What's negative times negative?
Positive.
That's positive 8y. Okay? What's -4 times, how much is this? What's my operation here? I'm going to bring minus, right? What's -4 times 12? Times 3, that's -12. See, it's started to mess up again. Then, do I have any parentheses anymore? No, I'm going to bring +8 equals 3.
No, it's not good. It's doing
Now, minus negative back to back is what?
it.
It's a big plus. Do you understand what I did the first step? Why did I change each? Like, because I had -4 times this. That minus tells me that last number is negative. That's plus -4. And -4 is multiplied by those. Yes.
So you use, for this, you did, or whatever you call it, you use, 4.
Well, you guys are.
Yeah, I'm multiplying by -4.
So you always use the number like right up.
Yes, yes.
And that's.
All right. Now, we'll look at like terms. Which ones go together? I have -4y, and I have what? 8y. Is this 8y positive or negative? So I do -4 plus 8. How much is that? 4y.
Why?
That 4y took care of this and this. Now, I have, what's this number? That's -5. Excellent. That's -5 plus 12 is how much? That's +7 plus 8.
15.
That's 15. Positive or negative?
Positive.
So I'm going to add 15. Equals, what was the answer? 3?
3.
All right.
Now you subtract.
Now we're going to solve equation. So I'm going to subtract 15 from each side. 4y equals -12. Oh, it's -3. Max, you got 3 or -3? Who got -3? Good. So y is -3.
I found my mistake.
So you know your mistake. How many of you raise your hand? Yeah, you can do
So 1.5.
Good job. Amanda,
You see me just like right here.
you just showed me it's -3. Did he show show me the process when you,
I showed.
Max, did you get it right?
you're not showing me.
I showed.
No, he didn't.
Okay, so I can write
Good
it.
job, you showed me.
Get a Pepsi, I still get no lunch.
I erased it.
I'm still always looking for.
What?
I barely get.
I really made a mistake. I really made it, a 12 white
Oh, I
instead of
see.
4 white.
Yeah,
So
because-
you guys
All
missed it.
right, let's do this now. Pay attention, do this now, come on. Let's see if you can do this now. Yes, yeah, this extra credit.
It should be.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get.
Hey, if you didn't see, I did correct your sheets. I don't know if I should give it to you guys.
Yes.
Don't wanna waste the time.
Yeah, give it to us.
Yes, you know what? Maybe I'll give it to you on Friday. On Friday. Because I wanna finish this. I wanna give you the bill.
So if I get this one right, I get 4 points.
All have 4 points total.
Okay, so does that not count?
Just record this, write it down. Add on your points, then tell me by Friday, because I'm gonna enter the scores in for school during the weekend. You have now 3 more scores. I corrected all of them, but I didn't enter them in the system. I will over the weekend. Pay attention, is the 3 part of the distributive property or not?
Oh.
Is the 3 part of the distribution, the distributive property? What do you think? Is it right beside the parentheses? Is it?
No.
No, so is it part of this, of the distributive property? No, it is not. What do you have? You have to distribute. What do you distribute? What do you have right before the parentheses? What does this minus tell you to do? When you have a minus outside the parentheses, what do you do with this minus when you enter it in the parentheses? Don't you do the opposite of each term? You remember when you have a negative outside the parentheses? So you write the opposite of each term inside, right?
Yes.
Okay, I gave you many hints. Now you need to do.
You can hear it.
In our religion, it's forbidden to step on the food. Yeah. Yeah, in our religion, it's forbidden to step on the food.
You can't.
You can't step on
But
it.
how do you do it?
It's just something now. Oh my Lord. Finish? Wait, I see for something. You have lifetime? No.
I can do 6 plus 7.
I didn't. Okay.
Weird. So that's an addition.
Positive, but you made a mistake here. That's 3 minus. There's minus. You copied that probably wrong.
I got it.
I ain't doing it.
Oh, God.
Is this finished from home?
Alright, let me do it on the board, guys. And you follow up with me. I gave you enough time.
I'm just trying my total.
What did you get? I don't know. I think. Wait, let me do it. Maxi, what did you get? Okay, different.